Hello guys, welcome to Statistics Bio 7. I am Dr. Mohan. Now we are the discuss topic how to customize bubble chart for the multiple data series in Excel software. Okay, this is for the multiple data series for the bubble chart in the Excel software. This is a data set for the creating the bubble chart and multiple data series. Okay, the multiple data series for the two type. The first one for the winter crop and one the summer crop. Okay, the Asian countries the different cultivation the fruit and cost of the dollar and cultivation hectare for the this is a data set. Okay, this data set used to create a bubble chart for the multiple data series and customized the bubble chart. Okay, this data copy to the new one sheet. So the new one sheet already created and data already entered. So the now created for the first now we are created for the bubble chart in Excel software. Okay, now go to the insert menu and go to the create the bubble chart for the MC sheet. Okay, then the right click and select for the data option. Okay, open the new tab for the data, select that data source. Okay, then click for the add button. Okay, open for the edit series for the data collecting. Okay, the series name, the first selected for the winter crop. So the selection options, select for the winter crop. Okay, the next for the series in Y value, the Y value for the cultivation in hectare. So select for the cultivation in hectare. Then next one for the Y series, this is X series and Y series production for tons. Okay, the next series for the bubble size for the cost of dollar. Okay, then click OK button. Okay, then next added to the next one bubble for the summer crop. So then click for the add button. The same option selected in the series name for the winter summer crop and X value, the series of X value for the cultivation in hectare selected, and the next one for the series of Y values production tons. Okay, then series of the bubble size, the cost of dollar. Okay, then click OK button. Then click OK. Okay, now the created for the bubble chart in multiple data series. This bubble chart customized in the Excel software. First selected for the XHS and right click or click for the format access. Okay, the format access options, the minimum starting value the 0, the maximum for the 5000. Okay, the next for the Y series, same for the minimum 0. Okay, then for the select for the chart element options, use for the XSS title and the unclick for the grand lines and selected for the legend. The legend selected to the top. Okay, then add to the data label. Okay, the first one for the blue color is a winter graph and orange color is a summer graph. Now the customized in the starter to the graph. Okay, then select for the data, select for the value from cell options. Okay, now the select for the summer graph. First one for the select the data label in the range. Select for the country name, China to Turkey. Okay, then click OK button. Now unclick for the Y values and add it to the bubble size. The separator selected to the new line. Okay, the next one for the winter crop selected the data, select for the value from cells and select the winter countries, summer to Turkey. Then okay. Then also the unclick for the Y value and add it to the bubble. The separated lines for the new line. Okay, next for the change to the color and the customized color for the bubble chart. First one selected for the winter season. Okay, then selected for the already open the format data series. Select for the fill color. Fill color selected for the options. Green. Okay, then next one for the added to the border. The border color selected for the black. And width to 1. Okay, the next one for the added to the color in the summer graph. Select the fill and option. Select to the line for the red color or any other color. Okay, then border color selected for the automatic. Border color is a black and width 1. Okay, then next the created to border. The select the graph. The border color was a black and width 1.5. Okay, the move the winter and the summer the legend title. Okay, they select the graph, go to the home menu and change to the font time Roman. Mostly I selected for the time Roman. So then added to the font size for the 12. Okay, now the selected the bubbles data text, the reduce for the size 10. Okay, then winter crop also selected the data, the size is a 10. Okay, the next for the size of the color black. Change to 10 and change to 10. Okay, then XSS title added to the cultivation in hectare. And to the YHS title production done. Right click data format series, then no border. Okay, this is for the customized bubble chart in the multiple data series. The multiple data series is only take for the two type of the data. Then first one the table for the winter crop in the fruit production for the Asian countries, and on the summer crop for the fruit production the same fruit in the Asian countries. This is a bubble size for the cost of the dollar. Okay, the highest cost of the dollar in the China in summer crop, and next on the highest dollar rate for the South Korea, the 2,384 for dollar cost in the bubble size. Then winter season the highest the cost production for the dollar in China 2,657, and the next one for the Indonesia 2,348 in the production of the cost, the highest second country in the ASEAN. Okay, this is a customizable bubble chart for the multiple data series. You only the added to the two data series. If you want any other 3 or 4, then added to the created for the empty crop and select to the data options and added to the third and fourth table columns. Okay, if you like these videos, please click the subscription button and support to me. Join to our channel membership. If you any doubt, leave me the comments. I will help you and try to practice of the this customizable multiple data series in bubble chart. The template file upload for our telegram channel. The telegram channel link mentioned to the this video description box. Okay, thank you for watching this video.